hearts to you.
Man masaw le man mga suliw guk si bedel mot makartial nga bal sa Kausischakl. Ako te ebok tanga ama Mr. Henry gimawre nga malungil UN Day el merarbek pa other Palau. Kada mamura program rigit mang di nga hindi ka mga ke Jackson.
Okay.
Mang kada mo social program rigit maktingun maskaw mga social tapik merko kada ala du rigil el throughout the program mang ate ala workout ila.
Okay. Am sala Kambes malungil swel ma reklado lo mesa show. Emral UN Day kita eral boda kora celebrate tel Independence Day rigit. UN Day man control shield se Kambes sa dangara trust territory. Oy mang it's for the member ngi we man to ngil ti al mergit. Anyway, el all time Kambes mal di medela teratur saying was senkyo mesa tigal candidate lang atral shape public opinion. Of course ang purpose ring is trial garner some votes for themselves so with yang partra political campaign process mang swakal mo sa tigil tora topic public opinion or another term los peringi media masay popular opinion. Okay, mawase tira definition ringi toram rigeleng collective opinion of a specific topic. Balgula hindi ka dil guk dito sa di imolat wayaw do swera ar blue al ubeng al debel o el base ra imol luldas ma topic malubeng ar yagidia public opinion may gang Kambes ay gang tora bigyan view hindi osngem hindi ka necessarily correct al ubeng wrong le tiyang base ra experience ra maswa maatib background ra religion ra religious or racial background gaya all mold release opinion maldigaw di sa public opinion ng waya amlamo collective namo blue malumeter ave okay masay gidia so kalong southern igagidel issue ulam mo ringi public opinion gida mangal tangat Kambes le kita nga democracy ya tara hotel sisi nga constitution rigidel provisions rigidel freedom of the press mga as long nga freedom of the press nga freedom rigidel orto of the sweat a democracy waya a breathing ground expert public opinion comparatively ga kira Russia lubang North Korea let's say Cuba el communist country even China el amring rakaw orto da opinion rakaw les sumukot to the opinion rakaw di man mo ngil the sway somehow en tiang mo effect ra government and sem lingar seguir disappear ridicule mo dibus whatever happened to your body in the other ngay digina the belawa opposite len the democracy which is government mang au the sweda mal really flow mang yung ari tora adram rigile malkunak mas there are 20,000 Palawans and there are 20,000 opinions. Okay, migagidel several issue they will all create a public opinion. Number one of course a news sell the news the create a public opinion. Yung erung sumangari ako na propaganda marahil of course they will talk the news and they will create a public opinion. Mas kumang number 3 sumangari ako na a game-changing project. Kita ko na mamasada ospital, marsoldal may agagid game-changing project that direct spurt a public opinion. Number 4 of legislation. Agagid laal poloruro olbil. Askum tam alto de disclose marabway kita mangi alto da public opinion gid mang. Askum ngaria public hearing gid mo sel alto da opinion gid. Askum collectively ang gid a public opinion or popular opinion. Direct world events, askum mga ringi mga madara, let's say Israel, Ukraine, and direct create a public opinion. Nga other altama Miguel, favor Palestinians, mga ringi favor Israel, mga marala, agagidele protestra, agal University of Miguel, even Tel Aviv, mga ringi protest ringi. Direct gid raw mga kay Kambes, direct shape a public opinion. Lagi na comment orto daw the sweat, base ra facts, marada omes, dire to create a spur of the swirl, lo bulta ng muangrang. Ba lastly editorials. As you know nga kami tara melu sa editorial tiabelau lekor kawe Kambes ng Gulmes game lek med 12 years gulu sa game ngada ada guk muy we moring opinion tira gid atara mal got to klo abul gul adra blu agirir ngaria adu tire decipher a public opinion adu bet form opinion tir a level of education ngirel ngaria tergibel clothing ergaora topic mong selom tubadi opinion rao ang base ra facts balubeng history science salubeng verifiable information ula zuk sada history Kambes ula Ben Franklin na maldiluk mase atara critical element ra democracy education magyaman le espouse ay gagidele a free public education and moram rigel tas kumang arada educated el todo the opinion of government el alubeng todo the gagidele Euro government the opinion tira a list and base ra educated opinion hindi kadil base ra ract the superstition girel el base ra ngil information ma a school ma Kambes gira agree brother mas gotel maring ra the shape of public opinion then everyone has their own freedom to think the more the public opinion, especially sumangara private corporation, alubeng government, to mold the public opinion, and it's not a science, tiang art. Di wat tigil adal malasa itaborit, Simeon adal bahal mudulo art, tiang base ra adal ngaria skill ringil sa mold the public opinion. Which brings me back ang gigidal imo rubakal hindi masada rin after a time kila James Ivy Lee, better known as Poison Ivy. Hanggang amle mil elra sometimes in the late 1800s, emladra sometime in 1934. Ang gagidal Ivy Lee amle media consultant ra Rockefellers, tigil mle got billionaires abdul at tigil mle all magnates. Item leharing ilmo public relations media consultant tir di mal interesting Kambes nga ulang amal le mold vision ringi or fish ringi ma the swell nga the malam le Southern Methodist preacher nga le pastor Methodist church la ureng sa mal mo mal di all maloko klamrang morar Ngulubeng spesial gidik mases, gumang suamal change the opinion araat, girem lo speklem ra. Segidam le basis ringi, mo adala, moro lo banggelang kagidele Rockefeller. Lewin at time ringi Kambes leng. Lo adale back in the early 1900s, mla ringa close strike ra Colorado mining camp. Mla ringa tigal protestam le demand the higher wages. Better working conditions. So lang hindi this what happened. Siltame Kambes agil camp tira ko di tento. O tigi uspe alambe la somehow no accidente masasabagi gidele tento. 12 ngala kamlat. Mabibira adam la tigi dal ngaw. Malmil tamala opinion nga gidele Rockefeller. New samle cover masengal Rockefeller rubber baron. Malyom dasa profit ringi, hindi kalungil take care miners maulang area protest na ada na madrases. Tok mas Poison Ivy kam take care of problem. Hanggang amlol kira camp study ringi, so lang elmu sa pamphlet so lang rose mora rogul workers. Ending hanggang amlol mora New York ngu Rockefeller Jr. mas askum samal change the public opinion. En girem lo banggegal mora camp med kerse do urtigel ad do mulo ban trir but understand the situation ngarngi after so many months emlo change ngulbul tarandir triagi del adel protest mle shape up public opinion Manggal James Ivy direct kimlo tarang telak masi Master of Crisis Management. Singada crisis tospe a formula ngil el molda public opinion mongir na kumbali mga government mang diakal guksan mo rin niya agagi dili uldigil. Plot give review a history Kambes.
I see.
Oy. Kami din ka malada sokal mo history so lang ang agi del ada tara malmle hotel study a public opinion. Tela Jeremiah Bentham nga philosopher Emil Elra back in 1748 and rather 1832 way back in the Industrial Revolution. Diluluk malwase goter global gulla bodo ngaya public opinion alwen polls are adrablu. Lenyan ngarang it's a way to check a ila rulers, the authority rulers, ma kings, ma queens, agire del chega authority tir. Les kumen dia a public opinion el counter agilo the swir and create a tyranny of the majority. Ablua man mo crowd digringi. Bang pulwase gire del madenge a public opinion le create a obedience. Adra ablua Ngunit alilak na adrablu selo dengi a news maklemra behind the year rogui gurior lo government. Mangagi del Jeremiah Bentham makmalwase all government act need to be publicized. Mamle emphasize masingirel el publish in dia gabrot el tukoy. Etiang Kambes amle time ra a history that was the age of enlightenment Adam la mo start el ora amoy tatora superstition melora los pe a science ma agagidle factual information el molda au de suire mula timer ngagid el ad which brings me a point Kambes masigi adre belaw direct namo gidel ngaringia independent el gombali legal part of the government el direct mirula pollster, tamo pollsters. Ako na sumi adra tiya bela direct one time ako mirula polls ngungila kombali rulo yagi des el har tirel no the per tira wages tir ma firtir tira dua a social research masengaranga udusir adra blu the legislation mang kadamlek maseskuma majority adra blu yagi da udusir Namo giyedel guk leaders ma adel create agidel social policy rablu agidel amend el fitra adra rablu agidel opinion tir agidel huri pinga kalau amoy banyo sa huri ping sel pollster tirang tela social weather station tiang direct independent group Lurelira di mala pollster adrablu mala opinion tira any action rablu private or public. Aguk tubra New York, USA, etok mo sa New York Times sa taragot credible a pollster tir. Asuma tamala pollster a presidential candidate, tamalo marang a pollster tir mo sa mal accurate, unbiased. Direct nga imol tara pollster malo nga siren tiang akela Siena College. Tiang college hindi. Dos pera students tiram rula pollsters always policy makers masi adra belum ada opinion tiri agi dulu das. Mal important talaga rin pollsters magdamadik masi ngarang polls a public. So Kambes aklo dong oklet telgi bedu sa research masi kadamarang improve agagi dele public opinion ado naman ang shape ringil mongil ngaringi a sense of stability magagi dele obedience or other ablu mangdiaka do ring sa negativity uben disinformation sige da malabunay yes kuma ada uspe a misinformation spread around like wildfire and directly stabilize sa blue base ra in the windows base ra abi la brother to ko yung namel we overreact akung sa sila example one time tiang adik mli happen ra blura a Bangladesh mlarngia incident mli happen so lang yang ada angal kan mlat hindi tial misinformation am les spread like wildfire.
I see.
Raw eral top da media cover ngi. Adra blu am lo negativa u the swire am lo ran strakra. Obvious represent o isim nga elites mura
I
India.
see.
Based ra agukti small information baul mal important ta alungi lagagi dele information mura public. Bagagi del 5 ways egida trigibel improve public opinion reduce sagagi dele misinformation. One consistency. Skuma government of this policy tir and girel consistent from year to year. Di ako kumoto di imo nga uri lagu change ngi adara bulu mo confuse mo negativa opinion tir. Number 2 seguro sa ngi credibility. Mahal girela government even private company build that trust between them para okya kartir para adalo urolo bantrir. Government take do the same thing. Seltal lose trust go create a negative kitribang rang eguktor the negative public opinion. Number 3 giredel madengaya facts giredel madengaya information truth before adotob. Kasi ba time adotob the information na kalungil uriw lang kada mo og backtrack hindi gamla create about public opinion. Number 4 tigda di all la dosari nga politicians na tigda mo say transparency. Malgire del full disclose of facts. Ano tigil nga gidele James IV agiluk mase. Motodia press release para arbolo dengay raw eral al pridravolu. So lang lesel at the end of the day the public are going to find out the truth. So, before altura informal channel, create tagagi dele rumors makasip, and by mere del kaul stobringi through a press release. Ospe a truth el mangboria transparency ra either government or private companies. And number 5, gire del mudu deal with distraction. Len negative press magagi dele fake news sa stop, especially all time ang nga social media. By mahal mo klori al nga gagi dele intelligent AI
I see.
Oy. Mal important the hit ra adra blue ra information ra era al tobra agagi dele rumor mill. Rumor mill tigale tora migele Kambes ang spin doctors.
I see.
Tigale no kuluk tikel di ola ba.
Dio mayo pa.
Mayo ba ko mangmal sige tara issue
I see.
mang sele sumoria controversy rabulu. The first thing you do malgirem al face ra media. The worst mistake you can do run away from the media. Lesel is the very fact that masya na amis ra media si already one strike against you. Ako may sa pamala, kagi dili Kamala Harris one time in the Misra media, mang tigal ko news commentators start attacker ngi. Kasi namo 14 days tigal face sa media. Guk may nasa bibira points votes mo ngi mang mal giremel face sa media. Ulang area government private corporation di all ngari tigil adal hartir title tira media relations.
Media consultants.
Consultant specialist. Lengire man mudu dilo na media. Media a shape public opinion. Tagi de Kambes amal gidal aware nga other belau, especially time lang nga asenkyo. Leng marala propaganda mang severe time public opinion el sway to one side. Mang gidal man mo say is it factual information that yang propaganda nga kamol rely on it till base ra innuendos. Critical to know the truth, critical the government maski the factual information, private company as kung mga crisis tir instead of try to cover up with one false information after one false information, tell them the truth up front. Let people will gain trust ra kung bali as kung magdi mamadali tell the truth. Ada syabal akum da sortire Kambes tepan benelitiang. Askuma ada syabal let's say tara parliamentarian na blal betigiringil. Ilkora accused of corruption lo mes ringing mal namo dia ka telel mal di mo wa media al mei aska invite ra media al mei utung yang malungil bilele mal di mo ram diri bak masi acting artiang kosang ayamar resign lengwai sei misel top the list temlangwa credibility ra adra blu masi altam lat amil sibas dimlo honest we forgive him en sel mutul wa trust ra adra blu asku mong continual lo la brother di cover atal malel wangele Melendez lengele
Bob Melendez
ngeng senator New Jersey hindi mleway sel mon mom out ringi mara akor telus melang telemala isel ma public opinion mora Melendez at kadra telemal ngigig dia ako ra tapir nga kay Kambes kabuk ko skida to swimmer tiang tiang ora mal heavy tapik
dia kamal masaule Miss Henry tiang masuk at tapik nga I'm so fascinated with public opinion. Len tara to ko o mesen alwa say ay gal to yung sel leto da udas en magarae top de musup selmat mal tiang magarae dingi mal tilaw tangaw mangun au ulum ikaw na mention niya ulum let's say campaign wala ka campaigns marketing shobaya o spera sel what important part ra budget tir sel public opinion the shape perselen suam set ra narrative on your policy build a trust ra brand ay dia part tial tokoy ra public opinion mang hindi ka diligel molu sel mortial ekana tial footnote sel mera newspaper malubang ngigal tang artianga so kita bekal sil sel do gardimagi stratuta sel takakla imam medang okla propaganda the war of public opinion is out there for you so mang hindi ka sabihin wasay hindi ka lack of influence the chances are ikaw sila arabay already kam namor nga rap trublen because yung say the marketing and local say sel to era a public polling mal importantly even igual major corporations businesses campaigns they conduct their own polling mga igual kuk New York Times Siena pola adiregal kuk portial tokoira election poll ra presidente ang mal highly respected ma diregal mbek pedengel even ang arnya igual bearing markets matial bearing ra presidential candidate amna mo parte tial bearing markets diregal sabi elwasay al sugum bearing markets amla put Trump on the lead embulgula set tokol ada o maral wasay ngagi na gibet tawag rin mowin magibet tawag ese drive a public opinion diregal sabi influence behavior other mo o senkyo
el tegel topic el morgan ngi Palogo Las Vegas el all time amra labet masing tiraludo da sa malbet et awin ra presidential election mang awdo dam la pala para Las Vegas
I see para on the other hand on the other side of the coin hindi regal tangar niya namo madengia behavior ra for example sel dol trawa soft drink sport shoes sa karang klel kada mo malayar image ra adal tira top notch on their own field sports alitak tingalo sugola TV movie actors mga raktel erola lol trawa iga mang malulis el effective influential even ay kale ngarakel sel lela federal government to regulate advertisement dire kam akmulo asi tiang some years back al sugum ka popular al sugum ka kausokora on ra TV drama or sitcoms el toktang enda kal CPM el murura advertisement terkaul ko toktang lo tararak klalo lelang why mo spare say gid lo mga suseur say gid el brand terkaul blam creator ni sel TV show el tararak product mga creator adiakal adra blue mo marcel klalo ka adiakam toktang mengiren ngarnya close disclaimer mitira direkal الولا الجنير سيجي الاسوسيشن لين تو سي انا بقول لك لو دني ام اتاك المم اران كاي ما لو تو كاسا فان رنgal الاكتور ما اتاك المم اران هيله nga dia kal meral tok tangal provide al dispensa meral advice ra ya so sigi dia danger men dire ablura nga barda dire ngarngi element radical maktol federal agencies el dire mal gargi klay gigi del protect ra citizens at tir sel tora polling nakal adra media mal akmal sawakal musu o siga al do maray lakpasak gimkarang develop para sel medial mo sa el gut maklia si el polling manja katita bagi silunga dengwa emergo engage ra public sentiment on a particular issue malu gauge ra popularity ra candidates malu bengara katagay sa ngara maklo el bangla blur belaw gila dromis ngaringi al adu el kukibla mo oli mamarbebi ra adu ngara region wasi dalil sibe del ngaringi ngeso el sibe el health paigal media el develop ra polling capacity rigid mel sibe del gut maklit lagi del mo oruri mel sibe del maral lo top daigel gukora a public opinion al mara boy maral bolo ngela si andiak maral wai segi da drugs tial spy gra drugs maral consistent ngim tial public sentiment lo si maral lang mas attract ta leto mal siuri sel a public opinion important topic le kita ulum sa edem sa regal tol kamam lawil smoothie we are shaped by our environment mas kum kamagi sira tuta beto ka information ra to ra environment to ra social issues and I gaya blo all mo drive ra narrative ra maselo sange marabul ate your world view mokobal filter out obal assess sa policies that comes out malubeng you within your social circles kada kadile kal blo lo to bagay gidul tasum mal mel mutel al time aktir kam subri I'm just so fascinated with it siyakal dong okloreng sa carousel viewpoints mergo ang me wasi mela sel aklarmeng sa igang tial wider Palawan community ngaraw the sweet tial toy swak sa igid teletel la public opinion
ela kung lugot tigid le tora environment ela kung tumutel mura motivation ra entrepreneurs
I see
tekmal wasi show me your friends and I'll tell you
I see
your ability to succeed in business then ngarang sila environment kung makawa asam ngara shobay etlora other successful businessmen kawa mala opinion ka ortir seguide ka mala problem ortir el molde ra mo positiva outlook ra shobay
I see
de sumukti etlora other losers mla fail business ortir etlor ti de morang sa negative di mo sa andiak opinion ka man negative mangudas ang pakita opinion ra shobay which is probably not true lekadi uk mal narawa ay gagidele opinion lo molara environment akmo masan gagidel ade Kambes ang klela Alexis de Tocqueville ka dire klam le come across him lenga a famous French philosopher
I see
oy nga dire klemle tigdo gulogonik masing the danger of the tyranny of the majority sel volda ka majority ngariya public opinion tira auturingi emrula reor amal dangerous lenganga kumdas sin adirek lamle base telu de suera sila temer radboringi French Revolution
I see
oy lega madinga Kambes el time banle makita gagi del economy ra France le before that France did almol create makamar tamle soilol alakra neighbors country mar kroludo da tilo da treasury mangnol mo man mo dia kaudo da France mar adam lo dia ka Palawang gloria duk bread riot gloria albura blue so lang itira ko mel lo tibdia negative opinion ra blue mase Antoinette magagidele King Louis the 15th di mga gay ke Gi adra bulu am del dia imol pelawang dongar ngi.
I see.
Matumok makrogui ma kamang tir ma forka gale kalora farm. Ito abas el mol el raider sele Bastille. The raider Bastille ma dongu ma rogur gid weapons tir mol mua antonet ma a king Louis Melt mo iklir guillotine.
King Louis VII.
Louis the Seventh. Oo, leng mal ngarang majority na adra blue apinur tiram no negative against monarchs.
I see.
Oo, maulang ka nga gagil Alexis de Tocqueville mirop masay mal dangerous sa public opinion as gumang majority tira follow imoluldas
I see.
for the negative and sel create a social instability.
I see. Ela lagi mal important point lang. Sel gamna mention ngil was a public opinion is necessary to a full functioning democracy. Leng say gid leng hindi ragal check on the government. Leng hindi ka sabi del bukti orang sa opinion ng government. Hindi ragal adrabulu, hindi ragal kanila mentil mo la all the sweet. Itirgal nga government, they themselves sa diragam ni adrabulu tabtang igal to. You know, ako tal prime example ra kakarusal opinion ng ngaringit tial Bulwater Belaw. Lulumu raw eral bornya bol ngari akil drak campaign at tial el PGST. So sel mo mes tial Palau Goods and Services Tax. Igal tablol tigal teru presidential candidate. Ngaringi 2024 world. Okay? The shape of pinakalo ngaringi say together we can make tomorrow better. So from there kadangu tial to ra PGST met magawasi tirigel il 2024 world el dome sa statement tir our supporters mar tira our candidate themselves awasi tiang malungil mla raise our revenue mla mo sabi el tax refund mla mo sabi el fund na bebira social programs el alleviate arangalela atulong ok ma ara belu aku tirgal bebila say no tiang sel dosa da atar basira kada mor tirgal ko tar basrir sel sugum gangua ongas aralakal maralakal mor tirgal already takman matar basira dong alet kada na kuliak clown etial tax atya kalorior. So elay gang sabi mo emotional based ra statistics matit segit sel healthy part ra democracy git el candidate kami kataw traudas tir masyo kortir el mel say public opinion giren wa say giren melmol melway say gidi len dia sel maybe ra time kudu ko mesa igal ngaringi ra social media mal mo emotional yang ngari maybe mo kasi barang dir. Of course, hindi kasi expect was say, when there's always a public opinion, tanganian other dakal agree lo man say. And then kakaraw sa level ra emotional attachment tir el mertial topic ra to. Leng aigal public opinion let's say to tax. Adiregal mal importante leng diregal di yor ra adlo say ngkang taal del masawa tiang CBL suera public opinion let's say for example at all ko lang let's say Dr. Amais Roberts sa governor of Liliong nge blo nga Facebook mo nge CBL lot of the statement ngi ra ngara el topic en klaw aber redel sa topic ngiling ngkal ada hisin toktan mla tagad mla elector ngi ngobaraw sel takoy niya duli sel at takli sel ulasul mo mung sebela adel suku mung adra omes ergi mla dulaw doswel el diakal bolo tirak persen niya klong barang ngi sebel mo si barungul may dingiral di remind ourselves lo say at the end of the day tiang askela wildrong quality of life ko dol ngariak klaklangar ngi and that's the role of public opinion and gira.
I see. Emrang mal, good thing you mentioned a personality behind the Audaswa. Len, two factors of el shape of public opinion. Kanda mention na gid lewa doctor mais. Personality.
I see.
And number 2, unfortunately, ngudod.
Oy.
Oy, askuma, let's say gagid el NGO merbelaw el malang kloba budget tir. And sit murbelaw el kmo se kada stova deep sea mining. Len makitra environment, makitra gang danger climate change mara. Ito not mul mel convince gid lo labaw dudir. And then we don't know if it's true or not. There was a scientific result. Triga nga wala ba udodra ang donors they shape a public opinion because of the money they have. El aga malogoy agidle number 2 personality. Ang agidle Warren Buffett is the best known as like one of the best investor at Wall Street. And gedik mo opinion nga extend change Wall Street stock market change. Hindi wang agidle JP Morgan back in the late 1800s, 1900s. Ngedi yoto di apinringil moramagit hindi extend di change a value stocks. Yes, a public opinion na direct lulturar adel mo duk masenggal adang ada credibility ringin diak. Ooy. And number 2 is kumang ngarngia movement travel funded by adel to kaududel. And direct sa elsewhere public opinion.
Elon Musk.
Oy. Elon Musk kailangan na mo start to $1 million. Oo, siya lang border on tiyagi election nora Amerigeleng. Of course, it's not paying the voters. Hindi alam vote. Being encouraged sa adal mo register. And of course, if you register, ingay mis ka $1 million. Of course, pinunakak mo si, hey, I'm gonna follow the Republicans, you know. Mangyaygiya issue Kambes mang easy for propaganda to spread as kuma other behind ringi ang area credibility ringi alumang malbuto ka udo del back up uldas and the all change opinion kita let's just say face the truth agil got el trial got el hat el legislation al time di kas el pasra Senate alumang adi kal bos el motokoy tell all exploration. A public opinion na madaktiling aradal behind ragang a renewable energy direct kalmal masisi. Matana mo sa kasi stay away from fossil fuel. Na more the public opinion other way na mo til explore oil. Kaya gidele medical cannabis anna mo ngira bulad hindi gida local diri kada local public opinion diri kada observers say. Kaya we haven't wrapped our brains around it yet. Diri ka madaktiling a public opinion diri negative. Legalized gaming, which is mga kanya ko Marta this way. Nga for legalized gaming rebelaw. Hindi rin na makita image na nga bibirar maas maruba ka mga Katolik.
Public opinion.
Public opinion na amla swear tiril mura information gumdas hindi ka totally but you know, I have to respect the public opinion I say. Makumdas wa even policy makers direct the conscientious na public opinion. Maulig agidil kora controversial la adi language somewhere in the pipeline. We don't even know you're gonna come to reality or not.
Yeah, ela ka mention tila agidil tokora gaming, ma cannabis. Nga kagumes rabnur belawin. Katamla mokmer. This is why. Katamla mokmedreng public opinion sit for example medical cannabis. Ela kita dirang para medical cannabis. Hindi ba raw sa iba lang recreational cannabis dire. Makwam. Magsabel one listing to the other. And then ulgom ngaral to yung the dam amla moral adam. Okay? Hindi gyal sabel the lamut put it together. It's not a matter of if but when. Ang borngi. Sige na kukumis ringi. Le sel sugum Amerika lam lamu ringi Canada sel sugum kom masay bala mlabe wada mangna tuwa daral digal sebe legal iling because of the power of public opinion. Hindi ka public opinion alwa say akwa masay bal but also medical research. Direct lobangel say gideling things are also so say gidia makwa say exactly say malaoy nga you know, it could be the next 5 years. Okay. Ela ka mo na gaming. So, abela am la starter ngi hindi kita ko raw say haladong ako telbang sa mga ko raw online gaming. Online gaming hindi nga sila ka computer for example. Hindi ka nga sila bela uldo ko raw mo rent rawan space put machines or tables or LCLC. Mangwara safety stance and then we know was a mergung. Okay? Now, this is the big boost in Boranga gaming. The administration ra 2 or 3 weeks ago, itamla mo to open ra applications. El mora igel 4 licenses, mora patsingo ma digital lottery. To its. Aul man ko tel effective public opinion. Tiay gid kalib udoy minister ma presidente whips. Tira sila nga ang clear mo behind that yang. Iti already tadim na exist law. But that's not the argument. Argument kasi kadaw marartir. Michel sum temo tilay gid Mr. Henry om nga ngil lang akwa siya elak mo tilo kay dilo say. Kada ela kada nga say gid ela am lagi pa boost tigel proponent tra gaming. Elo say it's a big boost. Ako ko rit mergilo say mlamo madamade makaut maila obo mo walal mara talmale mlamo tilgi bel ko rasem ela obo tanen nga. Say gid ako so, masuwa public opinion o mesa pa direction na government emer ko tral predict outcome ra ang argi. So say gid ako o singe kay gid.
Why say lang ako mes ngi mal important sel territory American we take baby steps.
I see.
Leng skum ka di kyul ngua the whole plate of goods ngun mo ra table abulo mo ka sa el digester ngi en backfire.
I see.
Oy. Ako mesra Donald Trump esiral lorul sel fence ra border a Mexico mamrigel and he went to the border en arse o mes tiga mururingi so lang direct el mudur tigale border patrol masing raudo sim no se well tiang amal help program len every night el dingaringia sneak in manglo o koram la justification ngi brur tigel border so Maral to el atigil go back to gaming as kumang maral behind the administration ra surang al makal uda behind the ngi esel credibility blal mul behind the tialla slowly gidamla ako gukmla mang iat telgi bringi adara bulwa domes ngi lengara tiakorat pilot project after couple of years domes masengora dia ka social impact limer adara bulu malungi na revenue, bigyan kita 2 per almora scholarship. Oo, mo scholarship ang hey, asku mundia ka housing re Palau o housing, mga bibigyan ludo del med earmark mo ra housing. Aswa ka rin
increase license from 2 to 6.
Sige. Etek mo siya sugum makadaluli ay gagi del gaming already tek mo siya other Palau dia ka zero so mal safe mo other Palau. Pasku mo kaduguk marura physical gaming es really lalway sale kasi gukti foreigner marko gukti tourist tiang amusement are tourist hindi at the end of the day and create jobs big source ra taxes magagidle as a revenue maragal magagil show by kamam tigidle guk project giburo ka ma other ngaw re prata team SLO wise kamam amle propose a 20% tax ra a gaming oo makmase kita kadi complain at 10%. Hey, imagine if it's 20% clo revenue ringing, there will be more money from that than any other source of revenue in the republic. Why say a public opinion na maganda respect ringi, let's go maka force sa issue ra public tirir, ano vendría ka already ringi, engal adas el source, you know, el regurgitate gal luldas mong akmal mga dara tigale leaders circuit masi always respect the public opinion as kumang swamal more the public opinion mo ngil must be aklamra must be facts and figures mas scientific discoveries lo level back up ra audas direct dikal makit sige del transparency may gagidre accountability mo ra adrablu build that trust ada mo trust ra government raw Michael Rugul Gombali remur terbela mo niya trust ringi. Inga ngil manala society para adra bulo mo obedient. Sil obedient sa makrobulgule Rambes leng. Gil adra bela mo history gid. Alin terur present gid amlora lose a life or two because of part of it a public opinion or probably politics or two. Madirek nga history gid lo kung malesa ba building and lo nga klabe boys lang. A public opinion namle somehow mle kloa a misrepresentation or miscommunication al say. Ok mo lang to mla nga facts ada mamle transparent mo nga close a town hall meeting karang el more sel point pa say this is the way forward el mal openly. Maybe we could have avert the gigid el gora uldig mara republic back in the history the gid mo.
I see. Yeah, Kamal. Saule, just a quick note on that.
Sure.
Lightning round. So, sel one ragot massive opinion campaign in recent years. Tial Palau National Marine Sanctuary. Alice sera semlola or sera 2015. Yeah, 2020 ang fully 100% effective. I get a whole component ring. This if you recall mlarnya cultural component ring. Mlarnya sel political component ring. Mlarnya arad multi tialurior NGOs ma government ma kloba ma community organizations, contemporary organizations, amla involved rin. It was a wide-ranging campaign. Mangwayal lamlak ahmal fierce opposition rin republic. It was only when it came to the OIG and Senator Sel time amle pura puspa tokaramle pura little puspa kan it. Ding I just knew from the get-go was say tediregal dimong ko bangal tiang adi marail. So say gid yaklisel public opinion. Ulgum mlarnya counter forces el matcher ngi yang amlo tiul me. Ulgum say gid el tretele la support which was rounded up out by the public opinion. Amne mention let's say tial oil drilling has that massive support. Esem la mangay. But because typical policy makers sergi, lalo makers sergi, typical hindi kal kora negative public opinion, tira bolo lulur tira ngaw. Tangartiya nga typical mingin sila kora momdam ka utom, tira mo mo. So, malam saule Mr. Henry kita malungil atemet. Melak mo maskateal magamorsel lightning round ang mertiang kita osmedia program.
Am sala Kambes. El agi da namura a point tele election election gidra atigala adal murmur olbil ma presidente ngaringa to ko Kambes el battleground agel states if you win that your chance of winning the election mo president tamal almost guarantee. Thomas awasi ini nagagidle Philadelphia, Georgia, Arizona. Oy. Elago mes gida adal belawe indirect number niya battleground states gid. Guam, Saipan, Hawaii, California.
I see.
Agagid lang ang mo battleground. If you win majority other belao kiragid states, your chance of winning belawa already namungil. Mungil to koy lagad na mo identify gay mang tigale remorta mo campaign ay gay. But on the flip side say Kambes am hitarmud that only comes down now to money. In order for you to win a battleground state survey law, in do them more against states. That involves plane fare, hotel, entourage, meals, transportation, and gathering the people to that venue. And then you can do your question and answer sessions. Try and do your narrative. Sadly, belawak mal woriringik masi. I hope atyal democracy gid does not amount to people with money become the leaders and the politicians of this country. Then man umor to sa battleground gid at the overseas.
I see.
We need to do something. Atara option sa loruna atra Taiwan. Wherever you live in the world, if you're a Taiwanese and you want to senkyo, fly to your country and vote in your country. Mang sige da atara solution gida maintain etal democracy gida mang democracy based ra a merit diakal based ra those diakal based ra popularity. Sige dia Kambes opinion ngak hopefully that will mold a good opinion ra adra balu.
Saule Mr. Henry from Southern battleground states nga maktirek nga sakalo sa opinion na adren direk sakalo kara mo gay chekel sektor si tiang mabudul gere ngwadi ro ngwadi ding and then I hear opposing views ra outcome martial senkyo tirga nga black ranks tirga kira outside de merwelaw so tangari kasi campaign ra mga saw mahal sisi tiang saibal makwam maldi engarnya aku ke me terga mesaka ke luasnya nga atra nusum temem ta tuase dia outside maldi surang ale le tugu ko mesa ikai gitu le ruang rang le Medicaid food stamp nga itu kora program bertil ku kira gitu matawa tugu ko merang luasnya opinion tira wase dia surang alam sisi. So iga nga tabalol kakaro sa opinion nila. Aktira kalau lah kasi tiang ibig nga makmari nga ka predict kasi tiang morger makasi kung adi mo kayo ba. I think you won't be wrong Abdullah siyang mo kayo and then say gid direct opinion mendia kan sebela mako mesri kasi temaral kakaro sa ata lo mesra sekyo. Hindi kito oilian at November 5, lese amol trok. Mal masaule Jackson mal masaula bekla adul tira bla mo na kartial kukula mo mene tal sigang kartial program pagi mal di mene ngasulem sola mongot mok la batengem mesel ku real weekend mesel ku mel tara sunday de belo wa beser program mal di meditiang emi